So, good day, ma'am. It is the continuation of the fine test, but it is for lower extremities. So, for the purpose is to examine the proprioception and cerebral function, and then the assessment is inquire if the patient has the history of the pain on the lower extremities, as well as the aggravating and aggravating factors such as tingling or numbness, thick or tremors, and paralysis. And then for the planning, prepare the client and then prepare the materials to be used, which is bed or chair. And then next is explain to the patient what you're going to do and what it is what it is the purpose, and then how can the patient can cooperate. And then next is provide for patient privacy. So, but first, I will be ask the patient for the history. So, ma'am, meron po ba kayong history na naninigas-nigas po yung paa nyo, nagkakaroon po ng numbness, or ano naman po, may mga tumutusok-tusok po? Okay? So, we have history of tingling. And then, next is provide for client privacy. And then next is explain to the patient what you're going to do. So, good day, ma'am. I'm Angeline Maulina, student nurse from Muslim University, Philippines, and I'll be doing the assessment for your lower extremities. So, the purpose of this is to check if there is any abnormalities, then we can know to prevent for further complication. Is that okay with you? Okay. So, first is we have two tests. First is heel down opposite shin. So, ma'am, mupo po tayo ng mabuti. And then, ang gagawin lang po natin is yung heel po ng paa ninyo, dapat po pababa na doon. Try mo po. Okay. Sa kabila naman po. Hanggang isa pa po. Isa pa po. Ulitin niyo po. Ulitin niyo po dito. Okay. Then sa kabila. So, as we check or as we assess my patient lower extremities, there is no any abnormalities. Then, let's proceed to the last test, which is the toe or ball of the foot to the nurse's finger. So, ma'am, yung kamay ko po is itutiyaan nila po ng tuturuan ay yung lalaki niyo. So, itatouch niyo po yung kamay ko. Okay? Isa pa po. Sige pa po. Sige pa po. Yung kabila naman po. Isa pa po. Isa pa po. So, as we check, there is no abnormalities as well. So, and then next is secure the patient comfort and safety, and then document all the findings. And then next is for the evaluation is the accurately assess for the client's movement and coordination, and then determine any variation, and then last is report significant deviation from normal to the physician. So that's all po.